Welcome back students in Holy Angel School and Junior College online classes. Class 7 History chapter number 6 Conflict with the Mughals. In previous video we discussed about the Surat campaign. Today we are going to discuss a point Jain Singh's invention. Invention means Akraman Swari. With a view to curbing the increasing activities of Shivaji Maharaj, Aurangzeb sent Mirza Raje Jai Singh, an experienced and powerful Rajput Sardar. Who was the Jai Singh? Jai Singh was the Raje on Mirza Raje Jai Singh was the Rajput powerful Sardar. When Jai Singh come to Pune, he started to rallying all the force against Shivaji Maharaj. When he entered in Pune, he started to rallying all the force against the Shivaji Maharaj. So, to the Portuguese of Goa and Vasai, the Dutch of Vengurlas, the British of Surat and Siddhis of Janjira, Jai Singh suggested that they should start a naval campaign against the Shivaji Maharaj. When Shivaji Maharaj campaigned out Surat, so because of that, Aurangzeb was angry and he sent the powerful Sardar Mirza Raje Jai Singh in Pune for invasion on Shivaji Maharaj. Because of that, he tried to collect against the enemy to Shivaji Maharaj, and Jai Singh suggested that they should start a naval campaign against the Shivaji Maharaj. Jai Singh drew up the plan of the capturing the fort in position of Shivaji Maharaj. Mughal forces were sent to various parts of the Swaraj. They ravaged the territories of Swaraj. Maharaj endeavored to resist the Mughals. Jai Singh and the Diler Khan lead siege to the fort of Purandar. When the Mughals put the fort of Purandar under the siege, Morarbaji Deshpande fought with the greatest of courage. He died a hero's death. Considering the seriousness of the situation, Maharaj began talks for a treaty with Jai Singh. Now Shivaji Maharaj knows it is very harmful to the Maharaj Maule and their surrounding area. Because of that, he ready to talk with Mirza Raje Jai Singh. Maharaj began talk for a treaty with Jai Singh. He met Jai Singh personally. He treaty between Jai Singh and Maharaj was signed in June 1665. It is known as the Treaty of Purandar. It is known as the Purandar Stav. In accordance with the term of the treaty, Maharaj gave to the Mughal 23 of his fort and the adjoining territories, yielding an annual revenues of 4 lakh hones. He also ensured the Mughal of help against the Adil Shahi. The treaty was ratified by Aurangzeb. When the Maharaj knows the seriousness of the situation, after that he talked with the Mirza Raje Jai Singh, and Maharaj ready to give the Mughals 23 of his fort and adjoining territories, yielding an annual revenue of 4 lakh hones. Hone was the chalan that time. Now we are using the paisa, rupee, dollars. In that time, Maharaj period, they used the hone. He also ensured that Mughal of help against the Adil Shahi. The treaty was ratified by the Aurangzeb, and this treaty was ratified with the Aurangzeb. At last, Aurangzeb also agree with this treaty.